Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD transfer case fluid, drain and fill pretty easy. Here's a fill plug. Here's the drain plug. I used a 15/16 center wrench. When you fill it, hopefully you'll buy a bottle like this. Got a tip on it, you can cut that off and just squeeze the fluid in. It says 75W fluid is what it says on my sheet. I don't know if that's some kind of error, maybe it's 7590 or not. Check with your parts store. Just pull these out, get some in the face maybe. Boom. That's it. Drain the fluid, put the plug back in, put fluid in there till it comes out. Maybe 2 or 3 bottles. I'd buy maybe 3 bottles and have a little extra and fill it up. And that's really all there is to it. Put your plugs in, tighten them up. Pretty easy to drain and fill your transfer case on your Toyota Tacoma.